Hello students, today we are going to discuss regarding internal rate of return, that is IRR, which is also be called as trial and error method. Here I have done a problem on IRR through which I will try to make you understand how to undergo for the IRR problem. Okay, have a look. Calculate IRR of a project, the cash flows of which are as follows. Initial investment is 80,000, cash inflows is 30,000, 40,000, 50,000, 30,000 and 10,000 respective year. Okay, different years. First year, second year, third year, fourth year, fifth year. Now what we have to do is we should have means for the undergoing for the problem, what we have to do is we have to write calculation of IRR, and we would be having this many of columns: year, cash flows, PV factor, PVCF, PV factor, PVCF. Okay, as it is a trial and error method, again as it is a trial and error method, we have to undergo with the trials. Means the percentage, the discounted factor percentage, PV factor percentage won't be given in this problem. Okay, in this problem the percentage won't be given, but the thing it is what we need to do is we have to take our own percentage and we have to get a less than this initial amount which is less than this initial investment, and another amount should be more than this initial investment. Okay, so here what I have done is I have written years, all the 5 years, 1 2 3 4 5, then cash flows of all the 5s, 1 2 3 4 5, then PV factor at 30%. Okay, I took this particular PV factor randomly without any concern. Okay, so how to take this PV factor? You people will be having a PV factor chart table. In that it is going to be mentioned, or else you will be having another option through which you people can get it with the help of calculator. I'll show you. Like, if you want a 30%, as I have mentioned 30% here, what you have to do is you have to open 1.30 divide equal to, so you will be getting for the first year. Okay, you will be getting for the first year. Then if you press second equal to, then second year. If you press equal to third year, if you press equal to fourth year, if you press equal to fifth year. So in this way I have written all the 5 years of data. Then PVCF, okay, present value cash flow at the rate 30%. Okay, PV factor, present value factor at 30%. So we are multiplying this two cash flows and this 30%. So PV factor, so when we multiply this two, we will be getting this. So in the same way for all the 5 year we have done. Then PV factor, and we have calculated. After this we have to calculate first. So we should know whether it is coming as in positive or negative, like more than this 80,000 or less than this 80,000. We found that it has come as more than 80,000. So that what we need to do to get the less number, okay, to get the lesser number, what we have to do is we have to increase the PV factor rate, means discounted rate. Like I have taken 30%, so what we have to do is we have to increase it for the 35% or 40%. So the number is going to be reduced. PV factor is going to be, means the initial this investment, this particular amount is going to be reduced. So for that particular thing, what I have done is I have taken 35% randomly from the help, with the help of the chart, or else we can get this with the help of calculator too. Let me see. 1.35 divide equal to C. This 0.740, the same has come first year, second year, third year, fourth year, fifth year. We have took till here. Then we are multiplying with this 30,000 again, this one and this one, all the things for the 5 years. Then we are writing the answers. When we multiply this, we will be getting this. So at 35% PVCF at 35%, we have mentioned clearly. Then we are adding up all the things. We found that it is less than whatever the initial investment is. It is 75,000, that is 80,000. So we got one is more, one is less. Now the original thing starts. We have to substitute this particular thing into IRR formula. What the IRR formula is? What exactly the IRR formula? IRR formula is IRR is equals to lower rate plus PVCF at lower rate, PVCF at lower rate minus cash outflow divided by PVCF at lower rate minus PVCF at higher rate into higher rate minus lower rate. What exactly this higher rate and lower rate? The rate which has taken over here, like I have taken 30% and 35%. Higher is going to be 35, lower is going to be 30. 35 minus 30. Okay, 35 minus 30. So likewise, so we are going to substitute. This 30 is going to be written here. Okay, lower rate 30, then PVCF at lower rate, this one is going to be considered. Then minus cash outflow, whatever the initial investment is there, this 80,000 is going to be considered as cash outflow. Then divided by PVCF at lower rate, the same PVCF lower rate we are mentioning over here, minus PVCF at higher rate. Okay, the same, the other thing is going to be written on here. Then we are subtracting both in the other column. Then higher rate and lower rate, that is 35 minus 30. Then for the other step, 30 we have subtracted for both into 5. Okay, firstly we have to deal with this particular column. When we divide this, we will be getting 0.380. It is to be multiplied with 5, we will be getting 1.9. Okay, 1.9. So we have to add this 30 afterwards. So as we got this one, 30 plus 1.9, that is 31.9. IRR is 31.9. So I believe you all have understood how to undergo for the IRR problem in a better way. Have a look. Thank you very much for watching the video.